A recent iOS update can temporarily cause the Dave app to crash, freeze, fail to load, or stop showing certain features until the app and your device are fully compatible again. By the end of this video, you'll know how to fix the most common problems that appear after updating your iPhone. Start by checking whether you're using the latest version of the Dave app. Developers often release a follow-up update shortly after a major iOS release to fix compatibility issues. Open the App Store, search for Dave, and install any available update. If the app is already up to date, completely close it from the app switcher and reopen it. If the problem continues, restart your iPhone. A restart clears temporary system processes that may have become unstable after the iOS update. Next, confirm that your internet connection is working properly. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then open the Dave app again. If the app depends on live account information, a weak connection can make it look like the update broke the app. If you're able to sign in but features are missing or pages stay blank, sign out of your Dave account and sign back in. That forces the app to refresh your account data using the updated software. Another good step is checking your iPhone's available storage. If your device is almost full, apps may fail to download data correctly or behave unpredictably after a system update. Free some storage if necessary, and reopen Dave. If the issue still isn't fixed, delete the Dave app and install it again from the App Store. Reinstalling replaces damaged app files that may not have transferred correctly during the iOS update. After reinstalling, sign back into your account and check whether everything loads normally. If the app continues crashing or specific features still don't work, the problem may be a temporary compatibility issue that Dave is already working to resolve. In that case, check whether other users are reporting the same problem and wait for the next app update. You should also contact Dave support if the issue affects only your account or persists after reinstalling. Include your iPhone model, iOS version, Dave app version, and screenshots or screen recordings of the problem. Those details help support identify the cause more quickly. To recap, update the Dave app, restart your iPhone, check your internet connection, sign out and back in, free up storage if needed, reinstall the app, and contact Dave support if the issue doesn't go away. If this video helped you get Dave working again, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other Dave troubleshooting guides.